Right, okay, let's try a different one, which is the one at the top over here. I'm going to try and make this really quick now that you've got the idea of what we're actually doing. So we've got 567 divided by 7. I need to be using my 7 times table again, okay? So let's do what I said before, is to pop the 3-digit number into the... Oh, stop. Another single-digit number outside. Okay, remember that this is worth 500 and this is worth 10. This is a tens column, so it's worth 60, and that's a units column, so it's worth 7 ones or 7 units. Okay, so we need to say 7. How many 7s will fit into 5? And we're saying that and we're doing that to make it as quick as possible. So I can't fit 7 into 5. So I could put a little dot or a 0. And I'm going to move the 500 over to here, and we're going to look at it, and we're just going to say that it's 56. Okay, so in my 7 times table, I know that 8 times 7 equals 56. So I'm going to write an 8 over here. Okay, and then I'm going to move right to the end. I'm going to say, how many 7s can I fit into 7? Well, I can only fit 1 7 into 7. Okay, and there we have it. Now the difference between this one and the last one is that when we first started off our problem, I couldn't fit that 7 into this 5, remembering that that's actually really worth 500. So I had to bring it over to the 60 over here. Okay? Now, I could test to see if that's right, do my usual grid method, and partition 80 and 1, and put the 7 down there. 7 times 8 is 56, but I'm actually saying 7 times 80, so I need to add that 0 on. And then 7 times 1 is 7, put them together, 560 and 7, that gives me 567. Okay, so that was a bit of a difference, but let's have a look at this one here, 569. Well, you might be looking at the end digit here and making predictions about what the remainder might be, but let's just work through it. I'm just going to bring it up to the top so you can see it. So we're saying 569 this time, divided by 7. Okay, remember, that's worth 500 because it's in the hundreds column. And these are tens, so that's 60, and that's a 9. Just always bear that in mind so you understand that's in real terms what's happening there. We're going to say, how many 7s will fit into 5? Well, can't do that. I put a dot, some people put a 0 to help them. Bring it over here. We've got 56 just like we did before. So I know that 8 times 7, or 7 times 8, equals 56. So I'm going to put that there. And now look what happens. How many 7s can I fit into 9? Well, it's 1. But I need to now show that I've gone up to the 9. So it's 1, 7, 7, 8, 9. So I've got a remainder of 2. Okay? So this one again is slightly different because I work my way right to the end and I always have to remember that remainder. Okay? There you go. There's another one. And there's a final one which I'm going to show you, which is this one over here. 507 divided by 7. Okay? This is an interesting one. Let's have a look at this one. Maybe you could have a go as well. How many 7s can I fit into 5? Well, just like I said before, I'm going to bring that 5 over to here. How many 5s can I fit into 50? Well, I know 7 times 7 equals 49, so I can't go any further. So I'm going to have to go 7, and there's one remainder there, isn't there? So I'm then going to say, how many 7s can I fit into 17? Well, I know that 2 times 7 is 14. And then I'm going to have to put my remainder. So 14, 15, 16, 17. I need to count up 3 more to get to 17. So the answer is 72, remainder 3. And the difference with this one is you've got a 0 in there. You've got to work out what you need to be able to bring across. Anyway, 3 different styles. Watch what's going on. Have a little discussion with mum, dad, or whoever's helping you, or even your tutor. Okay? Thank you very much for listening.